Welcome to the Iola Old Car Show 2026 video. We're just on the outskirts of Iola here. Have about another 5-10 miles to go. And what we're going to do is go into the show with the camera running like you're one of the drivers. And when we get inside, we're going to walk around the show a bit and see what we can find. Here's the Impala we'll be taking. I'm going to try to clean the lens here. Not sure if it was dirty. It's got the high horse, 300 horse, 327. Camel hump heads, Halley 4 barrels. And transmission of choice is the Muncium 21 4-speed with the correct console. And the dash mount camera. Get her adjusted here. There goes the Model T truck if you see it. Get my belt on and we'll roll here. Ready. Weather here this year is a little overcast. Day one, not gonna rain though. Only about 10 miles out. A lot of trees on each side. Highway 61 here isn't the smoothest. Guys, I think we'll slow up a bit. Can't see the speedometer, we ain't doing the speed limit. I always like to leave a lot of following distance. Do not tailgate. You can see that car ahead, he's hardly 2-3 car lengths off that other one. That's tailgating. Not going to get there any faster. exhaust on here, 2.5 inch. The mufflers are called porters with a P. It's like a glass pack, but even better. They sound great. Look them up online. I forgot to mention it's a 64 Impala SS. Anybody that doesn't know. There's our first car show sign. And here we pretty much are, coming into the outskirts of the show. I'm gonna turn my lights off right away so I don't forget them. That Model T. It's probably a Model TT they called it. Heavy truck. You got certain signs that say where you should enter your type of car, and this is called a post-war era car, so I'm looking for the post-war sign. Here's the pre-war cars. They turn here. This is ours. Now we gotta look for the gate. When we get in there, I'll turn the camera sideways. We're in line. Look at all the old cars. super beat. That's what it feels like to go on the show as a driver. Hey,
$40.
40?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was 20.
Online, if you register in advance, it's 20.
Oh, okay.
Day of, it's 40.
You got credit cards, eh?
I cannot take credit cards here.
Oh.
So,
Oh,
can you
shoot.
get an ATM?
No, doggone,
Yeah,
no.
pull over to go to an ATM.
So I got to go back in town?
There's ATMs here, but we'd have you park on the side.
How far up are they?
Pull off to the side up there and just park.
But I'm hate to say I'm injured. I can't walk real far.
I'm not sure where the closest ATM is. I think it's a tower.
Oh, I see the tower.
Yeah.
I can make it just kind of on the right.
Yeah, just pull off in the grass right by those cones.
Okay. Thanks. All right, they changed the rules here. Or what do you call it? It's 40 instead of 20 this year unless you go online. I gotta go get some money. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut the video and we'll resume later.